Christmas Eve, and we're over at me and Papa's house, and Camden is going to open his first present.
He's smiling.
While Ralph is changing out and he's like Santa Claus. Oh, I see something. Randy. That's a human.
Eat the paper. Oh my goodness. Stacking rings. Colorful. Oh, there's a giraffe's head. Look at it. You stack them.
Immediately my feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes stared sappily up at me.
Chew on it.
I just hoped that Flick would never spot, as the word of this humiliation could easily make life in Warren G. Harding's school a veritable hell.
Chew on it.
You have to taste everything.
It's a big chew toy. There you go. There it goes. Jeez. That's one way to do it. Good job, buddy. And this present is from Auntie Barbie. We'll have to see what this one is.
It's a bowling ball.
A bowling ball. You gotta learn sometime. What is that? It's got a face. Look.
What's this? Is it Elmo?
What did Auntie Barbie get you? He says stuff.
They give me Elmo.
Grab him by the throat.
This is going to take a while.
You want scissors?
No, he's wired.
Does that mean he said too much caffeine?
Yeah, we're going to need scissors.
Next time I can give him my present.
Next up is Uncle Jesse's present.
Elmo. Oh, give Elmo a hug.
Big hugs for Elmo. Or bite his eyes, one way or the other.
Now it is well known throughout the Midwest that the old man is a turkey junkie. A bonafide gobbling turkey colonist freak. A few days before Christmas,
Okay, Flax Bart. Now,
Uncle Jesse's gonna give him a gift.
Make them smile.
What does Uncle Jesse have for his little nephew? I see a face in there too. What's going on over here? Look. Look, it's a cow.
Oh, so get it out
He's
the
grabbing at it.
Anybody have scissors so I can open this? Because I have no idea how to open it.
It's all working and out of its box now.
I wonder what he... Oh, I bet he's thinking, I wonder what he tastes like.
My guess is beef.
Make him vibrate.
Yeah. His nose.
Mrrr. Mrrr. Oh my goodness. It's vibrating. Whoa.
Pretty cool.
Pretty neato. Mrrr.
Still hung heavy in the house. Well, it was gone.
Mrrr. A lot of activity.
There's an off switch too. Okay.
Alright, you need that in back?
Neato.
Okay.
That's
Still
the
don't
hit
think
so
you
far.
can fit
Yeah.
it in your mouth.
Mrrr.
Open that?
Another present from Mimi and Papa.
You're done, huh?
Is he over the whole present opening thing already?
Wait till next year. Look.
Oh my goodness. It is a bowling ball. Look at that, buddy. Look at that.
Flashes at the same time.
You got a ring on your foot?
At the same time.
You got a ring on your foot?
Bill doesn't have flash.
I guess
Just
it was
me.
just you. And it's a good flash. It must be a fresh light bulb or something.
Oh, really, people?
We're trying to get it open for you, buddy.
I like those.
Wow, it's a big ball with stuff in it. Oh my goodness. So much colorful stuff around.
Okay.
Just so you know, you do not eat it.
You gotta taste them.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's worth playing with.
You can taste them, though you do not eat them.
Good. That also fits in this hole.
See, the shapes go in the hole, buddy.
It'll fit in
Not that hole. Very neat. Very thought-provoking present.
Say hi.
Hey, did you get all your presents this year? No, you have more at home, huh? More at home? See, there's Elmo.
Everything's all layered in there, all pretty inside and everything.
You have your
The woman made it, but she made it in the house.
alphabet mat pieces.
Yay!
So cool.
Yay!
Yeah, this is like
Yay!
sit down with
Yeah, it's very neat. I know, you want the camera too, but that's not a present.
See, Mama.
You made out this year, didn't you, buddy? Merry Christmas.
You got nothing to worry about, sweetheart.
So many fun toys laying around. Is Mommy tickling you?
Tickle. My vlog was impossible. 0 views.
Okay.